In this video, I'll show you how to disable Data Saver in X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open X.com and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the account and app preferences for X. Next, select Accessibility, Display and Languages. This section contains display and content-related settings that affect how X looks and behaves. From there, click Data Usage. Here you can manage how X handles media and data consumption on your device. Now look for Data Saver and switch it off by toggling the option off. Once Data Saver is disabled, X will stop limiting media quality and data usage in the app or browser. That's it. You've successfully turned off Data Saver in X.com or Twitter. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials, just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.